Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our headlights. To start, of course we want to have the hood up. After that, we're going to come right along this area here and remove these two push clips. I'm going to come in between the trim panel and the plastic that's behind it, get right in there, and then I'll separate this. Now the next thing you want to do is have a trim tool that looks like this. Something nice and plastic so you're not going to necessarily scratch up your paint. We're going to come right in between this area here and then gently twist and try to separate this. Set this aside. Now that exposes one of our mounting bolts. The other two are going to be located here and right up here. Let's remove all three. Grab onto the headlamp assembly, lift up on these ears, and slide this away from the body of your truck. Behind that, there's going to be some wiring, so let's go ahead and start disconnecting that. While you're doing that, inspect your bulbs along the way. If it looks like they need to be replaced, now's the time to do it. Set that aside. Go ahead and remove this. Be very careful not to touch the glass on your bulb, especially if you have bare hands. You don't want the oils from your hands getting on the bulb. All right. There it is, friends. Now, as you saw when we were removing our bolt, this one down here actually broke right off. So what I need to do is remove the retainer that's on the back side and then remove the bolt. To do that, I'm just going to go ahead and hold on to that with some pliers. Okay friends, now it's time to install our brand new headlamp assembly. Looking at the back, I wanted to show you where the adjusters are. There's one right here. You just come right down with a Phillips head screwdriver through this area here, and then you can make your adjustment. There's also another one right here, but this one's already preset. If for some reason you find that it's not set correctly, just go ahead and get right underneath this and pop it right out of the way. Then you can make your adjustment. Okay, so let's start putting in our bulbs. I'm going to start with the upper one here. Now we'll do this one. There we go. Make sure you lock that in. Do this one over here. Marker light. Once you have all of the bulbs in, we're just going to carefully slide this up. Be very careful not to hit your paint and damage it in any way. Just slide it up and in. You might need to lift up on this ear to slide it over that. And now let's pay attention to this area along here. You're going to find that you have a little hooky-do there. You want it to slide into this plastic right along there. There we are. Give it a nice wiggle, make sure it's secure. Now we'll put in all three of our mounting bolts. You're going to notice that one of the three bolts has fine thread and the other two are coarse. The fine thread is going to go down here, and then the other two will go up along the top. Snug them up. Okay, now it's going to be time to put this piece in right here. You should have two little pitons along this area. One of them was already broken on this one. So we're just going to line them up with their corresponding holes and carefully slide this in. Give it a little push, listen for the click, and then we're going to come right over here and we're going to put in our two push clips. Okay. Okay, so we got the headlamp in. The next thing that you're going to want to do is test your headlamp, make sure that it's functioning properly. Make sure you have your low beam, your directional, and of course your high beam. Aside from that, the process is going to be the same for the other side of the truck.